In this video, we will discuss some of the geodetic options available in Microsurvey CAD. These are found in the Points menu under Geodetic. Now we have a few routines available to you. The Coordinate System Search will allow you to set a latitude and longitude as well as a certain group of coordinates, and then you can determine the correct coordinate system within that group that applies to that location. The GeoConverter Datum Editor will allow you to create or edit custom coordinate systems. But I want to show an example of the two most popular options, which are the manual coordinate conversions and the transform database. Manual coordinate conversion is simply a one-point conversion utility. You first set your initial coordinate system. Now I have these previously set in my recently selected list. So I'm going to choose my State Plains Texas Central Zone. And maybe I want to convert these to Texas State Plains South Central. You can also add a geoid model. I have none set currently, but these would have to be downloaded from an external source and loaded into Microsurvey CAD before they can be used, and that'll be covered in another video. I can then manually enter my coordinates, or if I already have points in my database, I can go to the bottom here and enter a point number. So if I enter point 1, I can review the coordinates. I'll choose Get Coordinate, and it'll auto-populate in the Coordinate System 1 area. I then choose Convert, and we can see the new coordinate has been calculated. I can store that coordinate if I want to, or change my Coordinate System 1 to another coordinate system and convert again, going backwards. But in this case, I'm just going to cancel out, because in a lot of situations you're going to have more than one point that you want to convert, so doing them one at a time isn't realistic. If I want to convert my whole database, one option is to use the transform database routine. So here I set my initial coordinate system and then my desired coordinate system. Again, you can set your geoid models, and then you simply enter a point range that you want to transform. And if you want to grab all of your points, you don't need to be exact with your upper limit. You could just set something like 1,000, and it'll grab all the points in your database within that range. Choose Transform Points. Now point protection is going to give me a warning because my coordinates are changing. So I'm going to turn that off and simply hit Overwrite, and that'll allow it to run through all the points. We can see in the command bar all the coordinates have been updated. I'll just hit Cancel, and now my points have moved. So if I do a zoom extend, so you can see they're still in model space. If I go back up to the Points menu to my Active Coordinate Editor, we can see that my coordinates have changed to the new position. We also have a history flag, which will show the record of the coordinates changing. So the geodetic options can be very useful. Please definitely try these out for yourself. Thank you for watching.